Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI Photo Assist to change object colors on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the gallery and then select a photo. So I got one picture right here. And if you guys want to change the object colors, what you guys need to do is tap on this middle icon right here. This is the AI icon. Now you guys can go over and tap on create and describe what to change. Here what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a prompt to change the leaves color to purple. So let's go over and type in change the color of the flower to purple, and now we can click generate and we can see that it's making the changes now, and soon we should see the final result once the animation is over. And as you guys can see, this is the previous version. Now this is the AI version. We can, let's say, click save copy, click got it, and as you guys can see, we got the purple flowers. So it looks like this. This is how you guys can change the color. If you, for example, take a picture of your shirt and let's say you don't like it, then you will simply type in the prompt to change the t-shirt color from, let's say, black to white, and it'll work the same. So that's how you guys can easily use the Photo Assist to change the object colors. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.